What's up, dude?
I'm going to exercise.
Well, all right. That's being proactive. I like that.
Yes, indeed.
Let's see you do it.
Let's go.
Okay, we're going to do better than that on this next episode of Good Tech Cheap. Hey everyone, can you do us all a favor out there?
What?
Well, if you like this video, we'd like it if you give it a like.
Subscribe.
Yeah, there's a subscribe button there too. And there's another thing you can do.
Click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video.
Ooh! All right. It was pretty cool that you were, wanting to exercise earlier today.
Yeah.
It's a rare kind of a deal right now. We got a little bit of weather here in Los Angeles, known for our normally sunny skies. Well, guess what? Once every 10 years, it rains a little bit.
And I like to call myself very open-minded.
He is very open.
A very foldable person.
He has a very foldable personality.
Much like the UREVO Foldable Treadmill.
It's pretty foldable.
Yes. Yes.
We're gonna vouch for that right here and right now.
Yeah, it has a very, very ergonomic, space-saving design. It's an easy folding mechanism, super soft drops, helps you unfold the treadmill safely, hands-free.
My hands are a treadmill.
Oh yeah.
And as you actually saw when we took it out of the box, it slid out and then you lock it into place and that's all you got to do. So you can actually fold it up and store it somewhere and then unfold it when you want to exercise when conditions are not optimal for you to be outside.
Indeed.
All right, so this treadmill is rather compact for the power that you're going to get out of it, the speeds that you can actually use on it, from just a very gentle walk to a full-on run.
Yeah,
it's 55 inches long. That is not much.
Not really, no. This treadmill has 2.5 peak HP motor, which gives you a speed of 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour.
And you know what HP stands for, right, everyone? Horsepower!
It also has a weight capacity of 260 pounds, which is pretty nice, pretty stable for how small it is.
Yeah, that's right. If you weigh up to 260 pounds, you're guaranteed to be able to use this treadmill.
It also has a 16.5-inch wider anti-slip belt, providing you a safe cushion for your knees because accidents happen. We all trip. You're safe. Don't worry about it. You're good to go.
With your UREVO treadmill, you actually get a lot of different customization, a lot of different modes. Adron, what do you get? You
get up to 12. Yeah, you heard me. 12 preset training programs designed to simulate natural terrain.
Neat.
The LCD display also keeps track of distance, speed, and calories burned.
Useful.
Nice.
In fact, you know what? Why don't we do a little bit of product demonstration?
Let's go ahead and
We're going to be weird about it this time, as we always go that way. We're going to go this way this time.
See ya.
Lock this into place. Make sure it doesn't move. This part's supposed to move over here. See? Oops. Do that. This part's supposed to move over here. But this part is going to stay nice and solid. All right, so dude, is it ready to go?
Yes, and little fun fact, unless you have the safety knobs installed at the sides, so the bottom and the top, and the safety switch right here installed, which is very easy, it's just a magnet, pull it off, put it on.
Oh, simple.
Yeah, it won't start. It just won't start, it won't start moving. So watch this, take off the safety switch, it's not gonna work.
Got it.
So yeah.
Put that back on. Why don't you turn it on? Let's see it do its thing.
Just hit start.
Hit start. Ooh.
Slow.
Uh-oh. Wow, you're running here. Whoa! Yeah, we're gonna work up to that one, I think.
All right, let's let's go on it.
You gonna do some exercise?
Yeah.
All right.
So, we got everything locked in. All of the locks are in their proper place. The kill switch is right here.
Hold on.
The kill switch is right here. If you ever feel unsafe, you just yank the guy. It'll stop immediately. So, let's go ahead. You have all your different modes here. I'm gonna hit start so you can track your calories, your speed. You can put it on time, set a 30-minute timer. You can set distance if you want to go a specific distance. You can look at your progression, etc., etc. You can also even set it to burn a certain amount of calories.
Cool.
Yeah. So let's just go ahead and hit start. We're just gonna go random on this guy. So start. 3, 2, 1. See here, it starts you at half a mile. But we're gonna go a little bit faster.
Yeah, you can go faster than that. Whoa. Hey, look at that. Is it smooth? Alright, nice and smooth. All right, well, watching him actually made me tired. You pretty much just went nowhere. You were sort of in place there the entire time.
I was in place there, but I was safe the entire time. This treadmill actually has a pretty wide belt, giving me a comfortable amount of room to just move around and run in. Also, all the components that are needed for operating this treadmill, they're all in the box. You have the user manual, you have the hardware needed, you also have the oil needed to make sure you can lubricate the treadmill itself, because sometimes they need lubrication.
Every once in a while. Ours was fine out of the box. We did a test by actually taking it up to 7 miles an hour, and it ran completely smoothly. That was before he hopped on.
UREVO really emphasizes safety in this product, so yeah, be safe, warm up before you go run, and you'll have a nice time.
And then after you're done, as we mentioned, you can fold it up. It's not very heavy. I can lift it by myself.
Yeah.
Don't recommend that necessarily because you want to be safe, like we said, but it is portable, it is transportable, and as you can see, he took it up to over 7 miles an hour and was doing his thing, and it worked.
Yeah.
And it was comfortable, right?
It was very comfortable.
If you like all of those things and want to experience it for yourself, look down there. Are you looking? You promise you're looking?
Mm-hmm.
There's a link down there. If you click on it, you'll be able to find out more information and get your own UREVO folding treadmill.
Yes, and this UREVO folding treadmill currently runs at just $35,999. Yep.
Excellent price, under $500 for something that is very well built and runs quite smoothly and is very useful if you cannot go outside, or if you're working indoors, you just want to get some exercise.
I agree. All right, well, I believe that wraps up this episode of Good Tech Cheap.
I believe you're right.
Thank you so much to UREVO for sponsoring this video. If you like the UREVO foldable treadmill, please click on that link in the description below. Well, from Los Angeles, California, I've been Adron.
I've been Kevin.
Stay safe.
Be kind.
Have a nice day.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.